Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my capitalistic people, today I brought another one from this our brother. You just need to listen to him because in this platform we bring it back to back. I told you that I will bring the word closer to your doorstep. So let's listen to him. Pick one or two words from what he have said, and I'll be right back.
Good morning, wonder Biafran people. Good afternoon, good evening. I bring you a little message this very morning for some of our people who don't understand what is going on. Because when they speak English crossing the Rubicon, some people take such English as it be normal. Some people take it to be play, or some people take it, oh, it's a normal English that anybody can speak. So, let me. So, this very morning, I bring some advice to so many of you people because I understand that many of you people knows what is right and you don't want to do it. You don't want to do the needful at the rightful time because as a human being, when rightful time for something comes, you need to do it at that moment if you actually need it. So I bring what is happening in Zoological Republic for so many of you people who are still climbing, jumping around, clapping, how you want your money. I saw a Zenith Bank writing on their verified page that your money is gone. I saw it, and I believe that many of you people also saw it. And for you who is still sleeping, this is my advice to you. It is a high time a channel that your energy of one Nigeria to Biafra restoration. You know, when we are talking like this, so many of people don't understand. You only know that someone is somewhere talking, but this is not time for someone is somewhere talking. This is the real fact. The energy you'll be using, pushing, jumping around and stuff. This is the high time you need to do the needful. Because everything that you people have seen is just little. Because the one that is bigger than what you have saw is coming. They did not end taking your money. More is coming. So you must understand that what these people are doing is called economic jihadist. And they will never stop. They have taken your money. I saw so many of you people cry. Some people I'm not laughing. Oh. You know why I'm laughing? I'm laughing because this is what Maznaka have said. He have already said this thing for so many times. Like this man have been saying this. He keep on repeating it. He keep on repeating it. There will be a time like this, and that time is now. But the most painful part of it is that so many of you people knows what is right, but you're still jumping around Obi, Obi, and upon all people are passing through today. I'm seeing some junkies coming up to say, "Hey, you must maintain. No go for your money. Oh. No go for street. No go for revolution. No go for protest. This and that." It simply means you're a very stupid man. Because these are one Nigerians. These are the one Nigeria people who don't have sense. They have taken your money. You are telling those people they have taken their money to keep quiet. They should not go for protest. They should not come out and ask of their money or talk about their money. That they should wait after you do election, then you come out for your money. You know, you guys they crazy. So those of the, all the money they have, all your money they have taken, to the extent Zenith Bank have come out and say it on their verified green page that your money is gone. The only thing you can come out and advise people is you should not come out and talk about your money, okay? Because they knows, or some of these criminals talking, they knows that anything that they are doing today is for the good of Biafra restoration. Any protest they come out today, they knows that it will be a good move for Biafra restoration. That is the reason why those criminal and senseless ones they are coming to tell you don't come out on street to protest for money. This is the advice I have for you. Whether you protest or you no protest, Biafra is coming. Whether you come out and protest on the street or you no come out and protest, Biafra is coming. That is one thing you need to know. So don't be confused Or don't be so stupid to the extent you say, if you come and do this, it will be it will be good for Biafra. Biafra is coming. That is the main fact. Whether you protest or you no protest, it doesn't matter. Before people come out and begin or before they begin to tumble you people with your money like this, we have our mandate, and that our mandate is called on 25th of this month. Biafra is going. If Nigeria like may they turn out or everything upside down, because right now we are hearing people that because of how things is happening in Nigeria now, they are going to shift it to sometimes they know if you do the election again. You know, concern any of us. But the fact is that we have put the record straight to the world. We are going. Biafra is going. So don't be confused. Because what they are seeing now is that everything happening is going to be for the good of Biafrans. That is the reason why they must shut down, let Peter Obi do his nonsense election. And most of people, they want to do election for where? For Biafraland. You know, there was a time when we are talking, or when you see some of us talking, you will tell us about on social media. Now it's no more social media. It's no more. They know how to talk. They know how to make noise. But the fact is that Biafra is coming. Whether you protest, whether you no protest, whether you say whatever it may be, the answer is that Biafra is coming. That is the most important thing, or that is the message I'm having for you. So don't be fooled by anybody who will tell you don't go out and protest for money. Because what I'm here telling you right now is that any of your thing that is in the hand of these criminals, go for it. If you're still waiting for your money, that your money will be coming or they will do this, your money is gone. That is one thing I want you to understand today. They will never give you that money, not today, not tomorrow. That is what you need to know. For some of people who is still looking at maybe Obi will do this, Obi will do that. Don't be so stupid to be waiting for your man or whatever they call him. He's not going to offer you nothing. Nothing. He's not going to do anything. He's not even in position of doing anything right now. That is for your own information. So if you like, go hang your leg for pole or go hang your leg somewhere, waiting for your father will be to come and do whatever you want him to do and do this and do that. We are saying, we the Biafrans, we want to go. My advice to you is that if you have something in the so-called Nigeria, if you have any business with them, like bank, like anything, if you think you will get it, this is the time you need to go for it. Go for your money now. Go for anything, any business you have with Nigeria, go for it now if you ever need it. Because as for now, we are going home. For so many of people who is going protest, this is another advice for you. You should go protest for your property. You must come out for your property. Don't listen to anybody who will be telling you, wait, may election pass. As long as you are waiting, that is how your money is going. You must come out and go protest for your money. And this protest shouldn't be for one, maybe, it is already happening all over. It's not happening in Ibadan, happening in Ojota, it's happening in different places. The best advice I will give you is go for your money. Every single person should come out for protest for your property. If you have anything with Nigeria, this is the only time you will get it if you ever think of getting it. If you have any business with anything pertaining Nigeria, this is the only chance you have. Because as soon as they are doing this election, anything pertaining you and Nigeria government is gone. You will not get it back. Because there's nothing that is going to stop with the Biafrans. We are going. This is advice. We are going. And mind you, as we are going, if you not get any of your property now, because you still have the little chance now to go for it. And the only way you can go for it is go out on protest. Go for protest. Ask for your property now. Because they knows what they are doing. They knows every single thing they are doing. Their plan is in their head. And they have already planned it and they are going to execute it. That is one thing. So don't think that if a P2B do this, P2B do that, is going to give you it. There is nothing P2B is going to do for you. This is the fact. And mind you, this whatever you people call it, there is nothing concern P2B with that, he's not going to do anything. They will never, even in heaven, for they will never give him what people are looking up to. And the same time, we the Biafrans, we are going. So now is the time you need to choose best option for yourself. Either to follow your ancestors, which is Biafrans, go, or you want to die with the criminals or zoo. That one concern you. But most important thing is that if you have any business, I'm repeating this again and again because it seems that this is the only last chance you will get. This is the only chance you will get. If you have any business with Nigeria, go for it now. Go for it now. The only way you can go for it is how all of you people have seen the end of Nigeria. Go on protest, ask for your property, ask for your money, ask for anything that you have, any business you're having with them. This is the only chance you have to go for it. Apart from this particular time, here once this 25th of this month, which we are hearing keep that they want to suspend the election, carry it on next time, because if so many of you people don't even know what is going on. Because of Biafra, they are fearing, they are in fear what Biafrans are going to do on this 25th. This is the only biggest thing. And the only way they are going to do it is using this new useless currency they have caught for you people. And my advice is on protest. Go on protest. If you have any business with Nigeria and you think you will get it back, this is the only chance you have. Go on protest. Everybody must come out and speak. Go on protest. Stop being ignorant that if you come out for protest, it will help Biafrans getting their Biafra, or it will help Biafrans getting their freedom. If you are reasoning like that, how we are seeing now that everybody is not telling you nobody should come out and protest. Let us do election this. You see, the best advice for you, or what you need to know, is that whether you people come for protest or no go for protest, we are going. Even before you people start the jump around of your money or whatever, you have already know we are going. So don't listen to those who have nothing to offer you, who may be telling you go for election and stuff before. That one is your business. But one thing you need to know is that Biafrans is already have already have already said it. Any day, anytime they call for election, that is the starting of Biafra celebrate liberation. Any day, anytime they say they won't carry vote, ballot, whatever for election, that particular day Biafra start exiting Nigeria. Of course, we are exiting already, but the main exit of Biafra will start from any day, anytime they start election in Nigeria. Go and mark it. Don't say nobody tell you. Don't say nobody advise you. Every single one of you should come out on revolution, come out for big protest concerning your property, because after these 25 days now, it is gone forever, for good. So if you have any business with them, this is the only time to go for it. Now is your chance. Go for huge protest. Every state in the zoo must go for protest for your property, because you still have a little chance. Is it 24 days or 25 days? This is the only chance you have. God bless you people. Bless every one of you people. I want you to understand, going for protest, you are not helping Biafran exit for any way. But going for protest for your money is the only way you can get your property, because this is the only chance you have. You don't have any other chance. So don't think if you go out for protest, you are doing good for Biafra. No, 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 no. You are doing it for yourself. Because whether you go for protest now for your property, for your money that you have business with Nigeria, whether you go or you no go, we are going. That is the thing. And the most important thing is that if you do not go for it now, if you all do not come out for protest for your businesses and for your money, for everything you have with Nigeria, if you do not come out now, it's gone. Because any day in time somebody carry vote, or they tell you say that you are going to vote, that is the end of Nigeria. Nigeria is already ended. Because if you people know the reason how you people are going for money, you have destroyed all the bankers, scatter it. Imagine how they will come to start everything up again before they. You people should you people should reason. You people don't even know what this so-called Nigeria have did to you people. Them they know that Nigeria have ended. They have loot you people. Imagine a nation. who come out and take his something like Zenith Bank will come out and write on their page that your money is gone. Do you know what it means? They have already know that Nigeria is ended and Nigeria is gone. And for that reason, they have nothing to tell you. They have the best thing is to take your money. So if these people think they will still exist as a bank, how do you think they will come out publicly writing telling you that your money is gone? Then 1 week later, or 2 weeks later, or 1 month later, or 2 months later, or 5 months later, then they will come open. For which customer? For which people? But they are telling you your money is gone because they know Nigeria is dead for good. And for that reason, go and kill yourself. If you want to kill yourself, your money will have taken it. That is what Zenith Bank is telling you. I mean, a big bank like Zenith Bank will tell you, say, your money is gone. Meaning Nigeria is gone. That is one thing they are telling you. So don't be so ignorant to ignore what you're seeing today. Don't be so much ignorant to ignore what you're seeing today. Nigeria is gone for good. That is one thing you need to put for your head. And whether you go for protest for your property and your money Nigeria have taken, whether you go protest or not, we are leaving. That is one thing. The biggest day Biafra is leaving Nigeria is any day, anytime you see somebody telling you that they are coming to vote. That is the beginning and ending of Nigeria. Totally ending because now it have already ended. Everybody is seeing it. So you that they will be telling you, don't come out for this. You should understand it. This is the only time you have 24 days to go for a huge protest for your money. Apart from that, it's your business. God bless every single person that listens to this voice. The message I'm giving you is what you need to know. We know that most of you people knows, but sometimes you need more advice to do what? To do better or to add to your own or to prove it for you. That's why we do something like this. So God bless you. As you listen to this message, this is real. Nigeria is dead. And that is why Zenith Bank is telling you your money is gone.
So a word is enough for the wise. Please do well to share this video, like and subscribe as I keep giving you all the latest updates. Thank you so much for me to you from here. I said bye.